Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2018 BMW 2 Series Gran Tourer 2-liter 218d luxury auto, finished in blue with a refined oyster leather interior. At the side, it sits on stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, with roof rails, a practical extended profile, and electric folding mirrors, making it ideal for family life and long-distance comfort. At the rear, the clean design is complemented by rear parking sensors, a reverse camera, and a powered tailgate, all making everyday use easier. Powered by a smooth and efficient 2-liter diesel engine, this 218d delivers strong performance and excellent fuel economy. The automatic gearbox ensures a relaxed driving experience, and with cruise control, motorway journeys are a breeze. At the front, the Gran Tourer features BMW's signature kidney grille, chrome accents, and sleek headlight design, giving it a polished, premium appearance. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by a premium interior finished in oyster leather. You get heated front seats, a clean and ergonomic layout, and plenty of headroom and visibility, designed with both comfort and function in mind. In terms of technology, the Gran Tourer comes equipped with navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and intuitive infotainment controls. Everything you need at your fingertips. In the back, the rear seats are spacious, and with 7-seat flexibility, this car adapts to your lifestyle, whether it's family, friends, or extra luggage space. In the boot, there's plenty of room for everyday use, and the electric tailgate makes loading and unloading effortless. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration WK18UUS to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.